Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Bolden. In order to do so, here we are at bolden.com, and truth be told, Bolden used to be NewRetirement. It is now Bolden. So if you're looking for information on NewRetirement and you can't find it, it is because they have become Bolden now at this point. What is Bolden all about? Well, you can take control with financial planning tools that lead to confidence. We're the retirement planning software you didn't know you needed until now. You can click here to get started, and here you can see an interface, a visual interface of what Bolden looks like. Go beyond savings and investments with our panoramic approach. Financial confidence comes from more than just savings and investments. Our retirement planner provides you with decision-making strategies for every factor of your financial life. You can see here all of the different features applied to Bolden. What does Cider Fusion have to say? Well, according to Cider, NewRetirement, aka Bolden, is a financial planning platform designed to help users plan for retirement by providing tools and resources to assess their financial situation, set goals, and make informed decisions about their retirement savings and income. Key features include a retirement calculator, comprehensive retirement planning tool to estimate retirement income needs, expenses, and potential savings, customizable inputs for various factors including Social Security, pensions, and savings. Users can create tailored retirement plans based on their unique financial situations, offers scenarios for different retirement ages, spending levels, and investment strategies, educational resources, an extensive library of articles, tools, and calculators to educate users about retirement planning topics, covers various aspects of retirement such as tax implications, healthcare costs, and investment strategies. You have community support by access to community of users and financial experts for sharing insights and advice, forums and discussion boards for users to connect and discuss retirement-related topics. The pricing, there's a free version available with basic features. A premium subscription offers advanced tools and personalized coaching at a monthly or annual fee. The pros are it has a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, comprehensive tools for retirement planning, personalized option that adapts to your individual needs. The cons, some features are limited in the free version, and premium subscription might be costly for some users. Conclusion being that NewRetirement, aka Bolden, is a valuable resource for those looking to take control of their retirement planning. With its mix of tools, personalized plans, and educational resources, it can help users create a clearer path towards their financial goals for retirement. If you need more specific information about any features or comparisons with other platforms, you can ask Cider Fusion. Cider Fusion is a fantastic tool that integrates with your Chrome browser. It's an extension that you can install, and at any time you can just click on this little icon here at the bottom right hand corner. Cider opens up and you can ask your question. Not only do you have access to Cider Fusion, but you also have ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek at your fingertips at all times. It's a fantastic tool. Highly recommend it. Take a look at the link in the description. Click on that. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.